Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes honey, it's now live. What's up Twitter family? What's up YouTube family? What's up? Hey you guys, welcome back guys to another amazing how-to. So today I'm going to show you how to clean a whole chicken roast, guys. This is the Purdue brand, as you guys can see here. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to clean this. Very simple. So before we get into it, let's make sure that our sink is nice and clean. So you want to take a little bit of this liquid and you want to make sure that your sink is nice and clean, because you're going to put your chicken in here. So yes guys, we are preparing for Christmas. Happy holidays to everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. Also, if you haven't checked out my book, it's available on Amazon and also Barnes & Noble. It is Pain Leads to Purpose, Volume 1. Make sure you guys go check it out. Okay, now that our sink is nice and clean, and yes, I did wash my hands because I was playing with soap. Okay, so we're going to run some cold water, guys. Alright, you want to make sure the water is nice and cold. Alright. Okay. So we're going to put our stopper there. We're going to get a knife. And we're going to open this. Alright. Okay. As you can see, guys, this little thermometer thing will tell you when your chicken is done. So make sure that you don't do not let that come out, guys, because you're going to need that in there so that it tells you when your roast is done. Okay? So, what I like to do is make sure I get all of the fat and the hair off the chicken. Alright, see all this excessive hair on there. All of this. So you just continue to run the water. Alright. And then we're going to look to see if there's any more fat that's on here. Alright. I am making 2 roasts, guys. So I may show you the second one. But it's the same process for both. So you want to make sure that you go all into the back side of the chicken and you just take out all of this fat. Alright, you see? Into the back side. And see all of that fat that's in there. And what I normally do is this extra piece. Same thing like I did with the turkey, guys. I cut it off. Alright, and then you just tuck this back in, or again, you just tuck it back in there. Yeah, put it back into the back side. Alright, this is the neck of the roast, so you just put it right back where it belongs. Alright. And you just want to make sure that there is no fat, okay? And then after you gather all your fat out of there, okay, just clean out all of the fat from there. Okay, I'm going to turn this water off. Oh, all that yucky stuff, guys, look. Jesus. Some people don't pay attention to the fat on their food. So I'm gonna take this out, guys. This is the stuff. Alright. And this, of course, this is like the neck and the gizzards and stuff. If you want to use it for like gravy or for your stuffing, you can use it for that. So we're gonna let this go down. Okay. Alright, once that goes down, we're gonna again run some more cold water. Alright. And then we're gonna put it back in the sink. Alright. Again, you also wanna, from the inside of the chicken, now we're gonna get some vinegar. Alright. And you pour as many vinegar as possible. And then I'm using salt. You can also use some lime. Lemon or lime. Doesn't matter. The salt also helps. So again, I'm taking off all these feathers that's on here. So you want to use a knife like this. And you just want to scrape. Okay. So you just want to scrape and make sure, see all this yellow that's on top of your chicken. So you just want to scrape it off, guys. But that's not good to eat. You just want to make sure you scrape it off. Again, see we have some more here. Okay, so we're cutting this off. Cutting this off, cutting this off. If you gotta cut a little piece, that's fine. You ain't missing nothing. You are not missing anything. If you gotta cut the chicken, that's okay. You ain't missing anything, guys. But you just wanna make sure that you don't see the yellow stuff is starting to come off and all that stuff that's in the water. That's what you want to see. Alright? And see how pretty it's looking. So you want to make sure that you get both sides, guys. Alright? So the salt would actually, the salt helps, you know, with getting all of this yucky stuff off. Now I use the Perdue chicken because it's, you know, less antibodies and this water doesn't get very cold. And it's better because, you know, you don't have to worry about all of that greasy fat that comes off the chicken. So I use the Perdue. Some people don't use the Perdue, but Perdue is a little bit on the expensive side, but I use the Perdue. Okay, guys? Alright, so we're going to rinse it one more time. I'm just trying to get yeah, the Perdue is just on the a little bit expensive side, but it's more healthier. And I'll show you guys in just a minute what I mean. So if you take a look right here, can you guys see that? On the bottom it says no antibodies. So yeah, that's better than some of the other chickens that we eat. You know, so this is a whole chicken. It's not like really like the leg or anything. So it's actually a whole chicken. So I'm gonna put it in this aluminum pan, guys, and just wash it. Alright. So I'm gonna rinse it one more time. As you guys can see how nice and pretty it looks now. I'm going to make sure that all of my feathers, these hair and everything is gone. I'm probably going to cut this piece off. Yeah. It's only a piece of skin. Didn't really missing anything. Alright. Alright. You want to check each part of the chicken before you actually say that you're done. And the inside too, guys. And make sure you clean the inside. Okay? See how nice and clean that looks? Alright? Okay? Alright? Okay. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to sit it over here in my other pan. And this was, guys, my how to clean a roasted chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like this video, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Share it out to the community. And also, guys, don't forget to check out my book that's on Amazon, BRONX and Nobles, and HouseOfXentertainment.com. Alright, guys. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys. What's up, YouTube family? What's up?